The world has already seen how drones could change the face of warfare in Armenia-Azerbaijan conflict over Nagorno-Karabakh. China is far ahead in terms of drones technologies when compared to India. Indian armed forces are still dependent on France, Israel and US for their drone strike capability. India was a late starter in drones development and has got its much needed push after realizing its need for surveillance, reconnaissance, and attack post the India China standoff started 9 months ago. Meanwhile, China is already operating Wing Lung 2 armed drones and has offered 50 of them to Pakistan, which is already operating 4 of them to protect its CPEC corridor. Recently, Indian Army has also went ahead with leasing 4 Heron drones. So it's quite evident that India needs to push harder for being Atmanirbhar in drones technology to meet its requirement of armed forces and counter Chinese drones. Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in defense sector. Today we are going to discuss in detail about Rustam 2 drones, its upgrades and development plan. So sit back and allow us to take you through the saga of Rustam drones. The Rustam drones, also known as Tapas BH Tactical Airborne Platform for Aerial Surveillance Beyond Horizon 201, are unmanned aerial vehicle developed by DRDO. It's a medium altitude, long endurance drones being developed primarily to replace Israeli Heron drones operated by Indian Armed Forces. While Heron drones are primarily used for surveillance and reconnaissance, Rustam 2 will be armed with air-to-surface missiles and laser-guided bombs. Rustam 2 drones will also be capable of carrying variety of payloads such as synthetic aperture radar, electronic intelligence systems and situational awareness systems. The total payload capacity of Rustam 2 is going to be 350 kgs. Rustam 2 will be powered by 2 NPO Saturn 36MT engines, wing-mounted turboprop, each capable of generating power of 100 horsepower. The drone can cruise at a speed of 125 to 175 km per hour with maximum speed of 225 km per hour. The UAV will have ferry range of 1000 km and service ceiling of 27,000 feet. This is the new upgrade in Rustam 2. Back in October 2020, when the first flight test of Rustam 2 was conducted, it could only attain an altitude of 16,000 feet and endurance of 8 hours. As per recent news from Hindustan Times, the range of Rustam 2 is going to be extended to 27,000 feet and endurance to 18 hours in the upcoming flight test in April 2021. The Rustam 2 drone will be equipped with advanced technologies and systems such as aerodynamic configuration, high aspect ratio wing, composite airframe integrated with propulsion system, de-icing system for wings. It will have highly reliable systems with built-in redundancy for flight critical systems like flight control and navigation, data links, power management and mission critical payload management system. Rustam 2 will also have a digital flight control and navigation system, automatic takeoff and landing ATOL, digital communication technologies for realizing data links to control and operate the missions and relays UAVs. The payloads integrated with Rustam 2 will provide high resolution and precision stabilized platforms. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.